over here, and now you just keep go and going to draw. Okay, so first of all, what we're gonna do, we're going to match these lines here. Okay, from here also. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here is also 8 and box, and here is also 8 box. So we're gonna mix cross over the line. Okay, so let's just keep going. So first of all, I'm going to draw with sky blue color. Okay, and also sky blue color is over here. And now the blue color, and now the second here, so here is one of the blue, and now again orange color here, and now over here. Okay, so it's kind of looking so good already. And now this little light green over here. So basically we're doing cross matching here, and it's gonna be a nice and shiny shape or coloring, you can see. Okay, now it's over here. And now the red color over here. This little also over here, and this gray color. Okay, and when it's done, then it can come to the toughest part of the drawing, little square and rounded shape circle. As you can see, this is the most difficult part of this drawing. Now this color from here, okay, and now over here. So this is it.